Hello everyone, welcome to Kapamodzu. Kapamodzu. I don't know how to pronounce. Yeah, it is Kapamodzu. The place is beautiful. When we right after we reached here, it started raining, and now the rain is stopped. So I'm just checking out the view. It's beautiful. Yeah, we've already visited, and I have made a vlog about it. I don't know how long it goes. It already passed. I am the Alpha and Omega, says the Lord God, the one who is and who was and who is to come, the Almighty. It is written very nicely. We will be camping here for one night, so let us check it out. Alright, we have started preparing our dinner. It is already 5:19 now. Yeah, so let's check it out and let's try to have a good time, a memorable time. Woohoo! All our things is here in the plastic, covered by the plastic. Before it was raining too hard, right, too heavy, so we covered it up. Still some waters are over there. Now I am going to clear it out, this one. Yeah, we'll see. Barbecue. This is barbecue and this is chicken pew. Chicken pew. Thomas La. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Come. Yeah. Coffee from Majesty. Wow. Yes. Say. 감사합니다. Thank you. Wow, what is going on?
Coffee is going on.
Oh, yeah, I am crying.
Smoke or fork or yes, what is that?
Smoke or fork? We have no idea. See. Oh my God. Oh my dears, look at my dears. Sir Justin is serving coffee. Oh, very nice. There is one restaurant up there, and it's very good that we can get coffee. I am so sorry, guys. We are about to have our dinner. So it's very cold. We all get wet before because of rain. Now we are changing the clothes as well. We are about to take our dinner. So see, one lamb. Sir Justin, Sir me. Sarah is changing. Let's start. Hey, fire here. To Sir Piring. I mean Sir Araibe is already inside the tent. We're setting up inside the hut. Yeah. Yeah, it's late. It's getting late. We are all tired. Or foggy.
Don't fall before you fall.
As well as smoky. Okay, so we'll go down and see how they are setting up. So here we are setting up our den.
Good one.
To the lane.
Outside one. For outside. We go and check that one.
So meaning me. This is the lay. Both mat and two mat. Your one is yoga mat wala.
I don't want none.
Oh, so outside will be too cold. Okay, Justin. I think we can manage inside. Along ni pipa iso. Oh, kupain yung go sikro ko. Guitar. Justin. Oh, it'll be too cold. Okay. Huh? Don't try. So Justin want to sleep outside. Just check. Imagine. See, cannot see even our land. It's too foggy. I cannot see where Justin is. It's too foggy. It'll be too cold. Okay. Yeah.
Which one? Still barbecue.
Oh, you'll be too cold this one though. See, we cannot see properly. Just imagine this is just few steps away. Okay, from where Sir Justin set up his den. Right, it's too cold. Too foggy. See, Kapamodzu. Too cold. We did not expect this. Oh my God. Oh, cannot see. If somebody stands just few steps away, like 3-4 steps, then we cannot see. See, alarm. Oh, too cold. Wow. Very cold. Yeah. Oh, good sixty. Missing la. Oh, just in with your 5 minutes. Oh, dog. Sleeping bag. Just in nang you sleeping bag yaw ra.
Yeah, sleeping bag.
Yeah. If sleeping bag is there, then it is alright.
Okay, this one. Who is this one?
That is mine, no?
This one. Outside, no? This one. Down below.
To sida kari hap kani.
Maybe inside me now.
Hey, don't go. Inside the shibu yabana te go.
Outside the sea way yabra.
Sleeping bag the changro just in gida.
That's right. Sleeping bag so direct cover down na.
Oh, do the arena. Okay, this sleeping bag not a direct met to tumgadabne. No more than that. Petsi chu pude. Adukal ne.
Now we have 4 now. So
Piring and me.
big enough here. Huh? Big enough. She also can sleep. She also can sleep. But let's leave big. Why this is very low, yeah? Not happy.
Sir Piring and me will sleep here.
Here. Like that. What is very low? Not really.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Just check it out. It's too foggy, and we are setting up our den here. Just imagine. Oh my God!
This one in first wall or second wall? That one. First. This side.
It's too gold, fucking gold.
Yeah. Okay. Then here another.
Nothing to block here, also, no?
No, we can put a stop here.
Okay.
No,
I think you can go more higher, no? We can make it more smaller and yeah.
It's okay.
Make it, Thomas, make it till corner.
Until the corner, there is no shape, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's put it here, go. There, someone you move, sir, do you? Let's go, you move.
Madi magi fuck thiral. So exciting. Yeah, very, yeah. I'm taking video. A viral moment. Oh, but I see the cloud. Oh my God, it's too foggy. Really. Oh, good morning. Very tired. That is where we are cooking. That red wow, small tower. Here is one restaurant, so we came up here for a cup of coffee. This is very tiring. Still, there are lots of foggy. Still not clear yet. We cannot move out, so I think we'll stay here a little bit to waiting for the fog to clear up a little bit, and maybe wait for the sun to shine a little bit. Yeah, after waking up, all the body pain. So this area is very steep. They set up tent here like this, and they're sleeping. Once you fall down, there is no coming back again. But somehow they're managing setting up tent here, and see. But it's good. It's good view. Still, the folks are coming up. See. Some flowers. It's good to see in the morning. Our CEO and Mr. Popular is going to swing now. Us, then I shouldn't be here, no?
Let's go to you. 1, 2, 3.
이분은 야로이. 에이, 타타나떼지. 미실라지 타타나떼. As 미실라기 dialogue 떠오르면 구이래다.
True.
끼들아. 끼들아. 타타나떼.
One more, chalo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yay!
Wait.
Swinging, swing the swinging, and he's going to take the photo of swinging. Oh, Samsung S23. Oh my God!
Boss is moving like that.
Don't fly down.
We're going to cut power.
See, it is all. This area is all Kapamodzu. But foggy. Ooh, butterfly. There's one volleyball court there.
This is very romantic scene.
Yeah, and this rocking chair is here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Very nice. Restaurant Kapamodzu ya. Another photo.
No one is visible,
We are here in the restaurant. See, my friends already went outside. Let's go outside and have the coffee. Very good. They made nice coffee.
From here, see, one better place from here. You should try taking these people.
They're not sleeping or what? What are you doing beside their bed? See. Sir Bailing, say hi.
Hello.
How is the experience? Oh, can even see in the camera, yeah. I mean the coming up of the fog, no? See, all becoming all dark again. They are getting ready for photo shoot. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is happening. Yay. Hi. No one is sleeping. So me is getting ready. Even me, I'm still with my dowel and Before it was too cold, so I'm blocking with my towel. We are going for morning walk. Your camera is very clear.
Thank you, thank you.
Very nice. Google Pixel. Oh my god, feeling shy. There's one house. All the bamboos up and down.
People.
That is a Thankyou shell, and this is the world.
If you don't know.
Oh,
Wait.
acha.
Kerang.
I didn't visit this one though. Last time.
Oh, many, yeah.
Someone is sleeping.
Snowman. Key is locked.
Cottage number 3.
Cottage number 1.
Okay, so they build a secret house like this for secret people. But I think cottage will be very expensive.
5,000 for something like that now.
5,000. Oh my god! For one night. Yay! Woo! You lead the way, I follow the way.
This is potato farm.
Potato,
You can see the potato.
tomato, all coming out. Potato, Gorinja. So this is the source where they took out to serve VIP. We are not VIPs, unfortunately. We are all shocked and wondered by the cabbage.
This is different energy.
Oh, very nice, yeah. See, very nice. Even the white one is very good. I think I'll take one photo. Cái gì thao lên thêm này, bây giờ yếm thấy lao rồi. What type of cabbage is this? No idea. Let me taste.
To get the idea.
Very nice.
This cabbage. Any idea? Anyone knows? Just comment, subscribe.
It will be very good with pork. Rồi. Xếp hết nào dùng tên này. Another round of photo shoot. Oh, very nice. Where is her biting? Where is the photo? Show me.
Surviving photo.
See. Her biting is very nice. It's a serene place, and see, listening to the chirpings of the birds. It's very nice. Yes, you can hear the sound of the bird. See, Sarganimi is risking his life to take picture. This side also. Hey, kita ada lihat boy, bro. Yay! Very nice. It's going to turn out very nice. Don't worry. Professional photographer is here.
Risking his life. Risking his life. It's money.
Oh my god, scary, yeah. I have to try swinging. Oh, Sir Thomas. Oh, wow, wow. Once my crush sat here, so I have to sit. Hey, what do you do?
Who is that?
Hey, दोस्त हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे. It's too foggy. We came to check out the cottage. Hello, the YouTubers is here. Saying your name. Oh, this is nice and scary. Yeah. They have placed a big glass here. Very nice. Oh, so
Wow,
this is attached.
Nice, yeah. Cool.
Yeah, nice. Nice one. Bed is also very good. Installed mirror as well. Here. Yeah. It's good, it's good. Cottage is very nice. Let's go. Another cottage. Yeah, cottage number 3. I feel like this is much better, no?
Wow. To the view to the garden side.
Yeah.
I'll just show you.
Yeah.
My first priority is toilet. I don't want that.
Yeah. See, Sagnimi is taking video.
Oh, see? Can you see?
Very nice, very nice.
But first of all, I prefer the cottage number 1
Because of the view.
View and then everything. It's perfect. Very combo.
This one is also very nice. Not bad. Let's appreciate the craft also. See, this is all built by the bamboos, which is all here, available here. It's very nice. Nice. Nicely built. The view. This is like traditional, like some Chinese house, no?
Just see the creativity.
Yeah.
See,
You close once.
see how is it?
You just give.
Oh.
Again, the window curtain is so beautiful, so
I'll
creative.
lie down
Again,
and feel
see,
that
again,
I'm
put
getting
it
up from it.
Put it up. When you're going to sleep, just put it down. When you wake up, just.
It is remote control by human. Human hand.
Then with the coffee.
Stools is here.
Hey.
So they keep water boiler
Again, the heater
also.
is here.
All the lights and charging point is there.
Yeah, you can
And the
come
roof is built with the thatch, so it'll be very nice
Whether it's summer, winter, no problem.
there.
So now
for all seasons. Yeah,
again, you see
the bed is very nice.
purely traditional. Just see with bamboo they have made. So it's
It is clearing up a little bit now. The cottage number 1 is 5K, and the number 3, which we just checked out, will cost us 4K. So yes, I have already shown you all the toilets and the bathrooms, and the bedrooms are made very beautifully, in a very traditional way. It is up to you to decide whether it is worth it or not. Yeah, and see the view. It's very good. When all the folks are cleared up, it'll be very nice to look down, watch from cottage number 1. So we will go back to our kitchen now. I think our kitchen. I think ours is the cottage number. What number is that? Number 10. Our cottage is the best though. No window. All free AC. Yeah, very nice, very nice. We are taking photo shoot now. We are having photo shoot. Our photographer, model is here. See, we get on maram. This is Maram traditional. Yeah, so Shao. Behind the scene video, yes. This is also Maram traditional waistcoat as well as the shawl. This is our traditional. This is Thankyou waistcoat and our traditional shawl is here. The place is now beautiful. The sun is a little bit shining, bright, and we are taking photos here. So more to come. Sir Justin is done. Yes, is now arrived at our table. Our last lunch here at Kapamodzu.
No drinks. Coke. What about one more needed now? Number two disposal.
Disposal door or over? Not there. Okay. We are going back down again to that village we'll cross, and all those roads which we see very far from here. And then we'll go back to Maram today. This is our last lunch. So this is my plate. Okay, we'll eat. Guys, we are moving out. It's about to rain again, so before raining, we are trying to move out. If it starts rain, we will have to face a lot of difficulties to go down to the highway. It will be slippery, the mountain is steep, but we'll see. But once it starts raining, we are done for. So before raining, we will move out. So here's our party.
Let's come and see again.
Yeah, let's come.
Okay, we are carrying our things now to pick up and we'll move out. So we'll see again afterwards. Pairing is taking off his raincoat. We are going back, guys. So way to Kapamodzu. Plant a tree, grow a future. Very true. We are waiting for our other party car. Oh, ha, 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 la, 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 la. Let's go back home. Our road is blocked. We are on our way home. Our road is blocked. Finally, we are back home. So we are unloading.
Back home.
Welcome back home. We came home from Kapamodzu. Oh, my lens is dirty. How is life?
Very good. Very sleepy.
Oh, dying.
Baby.
Baby. Nala. Sit. Yeah, waiting up. Nice. Kêu. Beep. Yeah, me too.